So yun mga ka-fresh, welcome to our first stop in our last day here in China. So ayan, welcome to, ay nawala, Zhuhai, basta mall ito sa Zhuhai. Ay, hotel pala to no? Ayan, welcome to Zhuhai Dihan Hotel. Ayan. So tara, pasukin natin. Dito yung ano, J Jewelry Center. Ayan, so we're about to enter the hotel. Ay, ang ganda, ang laki. The center, grabe. Grabe, ang laki. Ang alin, ang malaki. Dito. Pagpasok mo nga parang, wow. Ganun, no? Wow, ito ba yun? True. Ay, kalapitan natin. Diba? Bongga. Ang ganda naman dito sa Robinsons Mall. Ang bongga pala ng Robinsons Mall. Ayan. So, according to our tour guide, this hotel is the gate of this, the entrance of this hotel facing the
may tubig sa taas.
The bay or the Subic Bay.
Hindi naman may tubig sa taas.
Yeah. So ayun, according to our tour guide, yung entrance nito is naka-face siya dun sa may ano, tubig. Sea bridge. Sa sea bridge, ayan. So because they believe that water is power. Water is power. Water is good luck, ayan. So sa mga may business, according to Feng Shui, according to Chinese traditions, that water can attract positive energy. Ayan. So if I were you, maglagay kayo ng water, something into your business like aquarium, fountain, ganyan. Ayan, so isn't it right that the water is the symbol of power and positive energy?
The water symbol of the fortune.
Mountain yung power.
My power.
Power a mountain.
Yeah. Water. So, ayun guys, mag-group picture muna kami. See you later.